Meantime, Filipina beauty shines at the recent Miss Canada Globe 2012 held in Toronto. Di man nakuha ang corona, naniniwala pa rin si Crystal Rubiano na malaking bagay ang pagiging Pilipino niya sa tagumpay na nakamit sa pageant. Cuevano reports.
18-year-old Crystal Rubiano from Calgary is no stranger to beauty pageants. She was third runner-up in Miss Teen Philippines Canada in 2009. She also joined Miss Teen Calgary in 2010 and Miss Philippines Canada Calgary last year, where she placed fourth runner-up and won Miss Congeniality. Rubiano, who beat 400 other applicants to represent Alberta in the Miss Canada Globe this year, won Miss Congeniality. She attributes this to her Filipino traits and values.
Well, I believe, being Filipino had a lot to do with winning Miss Congeniality because it wasn't the first time I won Miss Congeniality, but I grew up, being surrounded with Filipinos, of course, and I think them being friendly made me become more friendly and always staying positive.
Rubiano's parents are very supportive of her dreams.
Kasi that's her choice is because she likes to be famous and talagang gusto niyang maging beauty queen.
Nakita ko siya na malapit siya sa mga taong katulad na kapwa natin Pilipino na nagiging magalang siya at palakaibigan at nag-aaruga sa mga lalo na sa mga bata. Mahilig siya sa mga bata para tulungan din na i-promote ang ating mga costume.
She may not have won the grand title this year, but Rubiano is not giving up. She plans to continue joining beauty pageants until she fulfills her dream. Cuevano, ABS-CBN News, Calgary.